This is our Forex blog for May 13th, 2016, and I just want to go over the stats of the trading system last week. Now keep in mind, as I do each week and from day one, each day I look at the trades that happened, and the ones that have not performed well historically, I try to add more rules to make sure they don't show up as often in the future or improve their results in the future. So those are not showing up in here. Plus any new trades I add show up here that would not be here normally. So, but this is how I do the stats, and you can compare it week to week. Go back a year, you'll see more trades, higher winning percentage, higher win versus loss ratio, and so on. So here's Friday's 499 pips, 38 trades, and you can see that a very small percentage of losses. The average loss is only 7 pips. The average win is 19, so about 2.5 times bigger win than loss. Here's Thursday, 42 trades, 531 pips net. The average loss is only 5.7, which is wonderful. I love it when it's under 7. And the average win is 21. So, 4 times bigger win than loss, and as you can see, well over 50% that day. A lot fewer trades on Wednesday, 248 pips. Very dead day. The average loss 7.6. The average win 17. Previous day, 386 pips. 8.4 pip average loss. The wins are 19, so a little over 2 times bigger wins. And then this is Sunday, Monday, 499 pips. Exceptional for Sunday, Monday. Usually the average is about 180 pips, 200. The average loss is only 4.4 pips. Wonderful. I love days like that. And the average win 23. So just an outstanding day. Any day you have over 55-60% wins with 3 times bigger win to loss, you're going to have a wonderful day. So that's the stats for the week. And again, like I said, keep in mind that any trade that I fixed for that day is not showing up on there as a loss, and any new trade I added would not have shown up there. But let me just show you some of the trades. And these have some lines on here that won't show up on yours. It's a new indicator I came up with that helps me find new trades that other methods are not able to find, and it won't show up on yours. I didn't want to recompile it after I had it all set up for this blog video just to remove those lines, but just ignore them. There's the dollar CAD. You can see 10, 20, 30, 40 pip win here, 10 pip win here. On Thursday you have a 8 pip loss and a 3 pip loss. Before that we have a 10 or 15 pip win, a 5 pip win, a 5 pip win. CAD yen, got a 20 pip win here. No other trade. Previous day, 5 pip win, 5 pip win. This trade here, 6 or 7 pip loss. You have about a 30 or 40 pip win here, a 5 pip win there. Here's the pound, about a 5 pip win, maybe a 5 pip win, 10 pip win, 10, 20, 25 pip win. Right here is maybe a 12 pip win, 10 or 11. Here's the euro, did really well. We ended the day with about 10 pips. We bought the lows on this little mini double bottom right here and made about 20 pips, made about 20 pips, made about 20 pips. No losers in the euro dollar, made about 25 pips. Previous day, you have about an 8 pip loss here. The previous one was about 20 pips, 20 pips, 10 or 12 pip loss here. The pound yen had 1 or 2 good trades. And I might add a trade right here. Usually when these bands get hit, if you have a trend, the first pullback tends to be a winner, as you can see right here. So I'm going to probably code up a trade right here that will take that, and that will lead to a 30 pip win. Haven't done that yet. Here you got a 40, 50 pip win. 15 pip win. Here's a narrow range breakout. Anytime the market's trending and it goes sideways in a nice little rectangle pattern, I have narrow range breakout trades. And this is a new one I added. And you can see that's good for about 50 or 60 pips. And before that, you have a 12 or 15 pip loss there. You can see when the market goes through these bands that on the pullback, it tends to, continue in that direction. So you're going to find a lot. This is a new method I came up with 2 weeks ago, and there will be a lot of patterns that use these in the future. See, as it goes through here, you buy the pullback. And it's a very interesting new pattern or new statistical model that's based on two of our older statistical models combined in an interesting way. So I'm not going to reveal what my secret is, but you will find more and more trades from this. And as you can see, when the market goes through, you don't want to be buying above these bands because it tends to reverse. But once it goes through these bands, it does tend to pull back. So in the future, maybe this might have led to a win or a buy right here or this one. But it frequently works. As you can see, it goes through these bands, down, down, down. And a lot of the time it doesn't even hit these bands. As you can see, it doesn't hit these bands because the market doesn't show any real signs of strength or weakness, so you don't necessarily want to take trades. But when it does go through these bands, you do want to be looking for sells once it comes back into the middle of the range. So that's it for this week's Forex blog. There will be a new version released this weekend, 5.070, and when you bring up the software, it will ask you to automatically update and click yes, and you'll have the new version. I probably made about 120, 130 changes to our trading system this week, and you'll have all those.